today we're going to be visiting the Billy Bishop Airport. We're going to get some good shots. Right along Lakeshore, straight to Billy Bishop Airport, catch the ferry, find a killer spot, get the photo, and then be on our merry way. You're the person walking behind me. It's actually a perfect day today outside. Friday evening, Friday late afternoon. I have to say it's pretty good for traffic, I think, even for that case. Are we gonna make this light? Are we gonna make this light? Are we gonna make this light? Yeah, we are. I don't think he realizes that his signals are not working, or still on. That's nice. I don't know if he understood me, but let's see. Everybody be running for it. Oh, I don't think they make it. I don't think they. Oh, they made it. Wow. Good afternoon. I'm just looking to get out the ferry across. Sorry? How does it, so do I need to, where do I pay? Okay, on this side here, right? Okay, thank you very much, sir. Yeah, just going on the ferry? Go on the ferry?
Yeah, you just go around.
I don't mind if I miss it, it's fine.
Yeah, but all you have to do is just go around. We don't charge for motorcycles.
Oh, so just go around the thing?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, appreciate it. All right, thank you very much. She's leaving me. I am too late. She's gone. She's gone. Alright, oh well, it's fine. Gives me time to do other things. Like jump up and down. Well, just stretch. Good to stretch before you get old. Switch this up. Bring it back? Gotcha. Hey, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna sit on it because I'm lazy. Okay. They're already on the other side. One of the shortest ferry rides. Or maybe the shortest ferry ride. Like, what is that, 90 seconds? Possibly? Okay. Alright. It's just to give space for the cars, right? Yeah. Okay. I guess this is my opportunity just to be on social media or whatever. Oh, look at that. Think so. Alright. Looks like it's here. Just gotta wait for these cars to actually get off first. And I see somebody who has another motorcycle. Nice. Nice. I like it. Okay. Okay. I guess I just wait here. I'm guessing. But not bad. This is what the whole thing looks like. Let's take a little bit of video, right? And there's the bike. So currently just waiting for the ferry to go. They might be waiting for more cars, I don't know. I don't see any cars on the other side that are waiting for the ferry to come over, but on this side, we got no lineup as you can see. So if I were to show you over there, no cars lighting up. So let's see how long this takes. Okay, so I bought them out hard. I just gotta make sure I didn't damage anything. Doesn't look like it, so I think I'm good. The visual check, make sure. Nope, don't see anything wrong. So note to self, next time, be careful where you go. Quick photo and then I'm going. Why did I turn it off? Alright, there we go. Take a quick photo and then I'll be out. Holy, I gotta like. Alright, take a photo from here. I gotta go further out. Come on. I probably look so weird to everybody right now. But this is the shot I need. Get the photo shot that I'm looking for. I'm a little worried how hard that thing hit. Get some with the tailpipes. Like I said, I probably look super weird doing this for people who work here. Alright, let's start getting out of here. Boop. Yep, it has left the bay and it's making its way over to our side. Sadly, could not get a photo with any type of plane or anything like that. Probably should be coming here in the morning for that kind of photo opportunity, which makes sense to me. What is that? So loud.